You know that feeling. Wait. What? No, not that feeling. That feeling. I've got something fun to open up with you guys today. Inside this little package is a Corsair M65 RGB Elite mouse. Inside the box comes the usual stuff. We've got our mouse coming out first, and then the usual warranty and other information that we really won't even need later, so we'll toss that. Right away when you grab the mouse out of the box, you can feel how quality it's made because it's quite heavy and you can feel the anodized aluminum frame built inside. The reason having that metal frame is important to me is because the previous mice I'm coming from, the Razer Naga 2014 and the Razer Death Adder 2014 edition, they have these plastic encasings that, in my opinion, are just kind of flimsy. And though the Corsair M65 does have that on the outer shell, the metal casing underneath really gives it that humble, really solid feeling that you're looking for. The mouse has a nice braided USB cable that's plug and play, so all you gotta do is plug this baby in, download the IQ software if you'd like to adjust the key bindings and color features, and you are ready to rock. The mouse has this really cool feature on the back of it where you can unscrew the small silver washers, I guess, holding these bearings in place that actually weigh 5 grams each, and you can adjust the mouse to be as light as 97 grams and it can be as heavy as 115 grams, which is what I like. I'll go ahead and include in my bio a link to the official website from Corsair where you're going to download the IQ software. That's pretty intuitive. I really like the software because it allows you to easily adjust your key bindings on every single button, including that big red sniper button. And it also allows you to adjust the color scheme of your device and also sync it with other Corsair devices to allow for a really wide array of options that you can choose from. I even had a situation in Counter-Strike, obviously in my first load into the game, where my key bindings weren't exactly set to what I wanted them to be in the game or on my mouse, so I quickly loaded the IQ software mid-game as I was dead and set everything up as it needed to be seamlessly. But overall, after only having the mouse for a few hours, making this video, enjoying gaming for a couple hours as well with it, I'm really happy with the way that it feels and the way that it performs as well. As you can see in the Counter-Strike clip, and even in some of the League clips, honestly, gotta get used to the mouse before you're playing at the performance you want to be playing at. But I really think it's going to be easy to use. You saw how easy it is to plug and play with this thing and get in the software and use it. So I'm really looking forward to hearing what you guys think about the mouse in the comments down below. And if you guys have this mouse, take a picture of that baby, tag me on Instagram at LevelUpTech, and I want to see the color scheme that you guys are rocking with your keyboard. So thanks so much for checking out the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care, guys.